I said, give me 5 minutes. I'm here. This guy, but he kind of. Oops, that was my own video. Let me let me mute the speakers real quick, and I'll pull up the live. How is everyone doing? Are we all doing good? Okay, apparently I'm not live yet. Let me go to my live stream. Okay. Oh. Type streaming software live now. Okay, we're good. Hey, okay, we're live. We're live. I thought I wasn't live for a second. Dr. Dimples, what's up? Lars says you rock, Matt. What is up? Mark, we are not doing that prompt. Mad AF, and we are live, woohoo. A man holding a sign that says MattVidPro AI in a room filled with lemons. Oh wow, live stream. We're here. We're live. How amazing. Okay. So, Dream Machine, folks. What do you think of Dream Machine? You guys like it? I've heard some, like, kind of mixed opinions on it. A lot of people like it. Most people do. Hi from Indonesia. Welcome. Hi, MattVidPro. Hello. Okay. I wish you panicked ages said something weird. Matt AF says, what's up, Matt? You read my prompt. Alright, I am now going to go ahead and pull up Dream Machine. Let's pull it up. How has wait times been, folks? Are they better? They should be better. Your creations. Okay, this loaded. Folks, we're going to pull up the camera. One sec. Here we go. And this, I think I need to fix. There it is. Use it today before the US ruined it. Look, man, us in the United States, we go a little crazy sometimes. What can I say? We go a little crazy, a little overboard. And let me pop out chat so I can read you guys a bit easier. Here we go. It takes around 3 hours. Is that true still? I thought they like 10 times the compute or something like that. Man holding a sign that says, okay, yeah. So let's do the man holding a sign. That's like the first real prompt that I see from Kaylin Hunnell. Let's toss that in there. We'll see how long these take. Should I leave enhanced prompt on? What do you guys think? Is that worth it? Have you guys tried that feature out versus like not using it? It's generating fast for me, like a minute. Okay. Takes a couple minutes. That's not too bad. A time lapse of New York Times Square. Not a bad one. Mine are still queued from yesterday. I think if you click on them, they should work. Oh yeah, I was going to show you guys all the gens that I made for my video yesterday. Who watched my video? It's okay if you haven't seen it yet. But I had a video yesterday, and I did a bunch of gens and they never loaded. It took too long, and I had somewhere to be. But they are all loaded now, so let's take a peek, folks. Here is the first one. This is one of the like stock default prompts that Luma Dream Machine like has, you know, like where you can click to try, and then one of these was the prompt. So grazing cows moving slowly across an idyllic meadow, the camera tracking alongside them in a smooth side angle motion. And I thought this one came out pretty good. The cows look honestly shockingly good. Genuinely, I'm pretty stoked about like the way that they're walking with their legs. I feel like that's tough. I feel like that's tough to get right. Did you notice it has the ability to camera cut on its own in a single gen? Yes, I did. It does that quite often, actually. And sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. I waited 2 minutes on my first generation, but after 6th generation, it slows down. What if I have like a paid plan? Prompt, an alien greeting humans. Someone says show the prompt with the TV and the cat. Yeah, that didn't work out great, but these work in seconds, yes. Okay, that's good. Image to video is faster, yeah, definitely. Alright, well, we'll try some image to video. I think that could be really fun. Maybe we can do them in, like, ideogram and then just toss them in. I got 8 gens before slowdown. I cannot help with any prompts because my imagination has run dry temporarily. I'm on an AI detox. Wow. That is the first I'm ever hearing of anyone do an AI detox. All right, these cows look pretty good. I think this generation came out a little bit better, though. What do you guys think? I think this is a nicer cow generation. A girl eating empanadas. Feeding an image speeds things up dramatically. Nice to see you live. The hands are usually deformed. Yeah, I know. It's not as coherent as Sora or, what's it called? Whatever the other one is, the Chinese one, I already forget what it's called. Starts with a K. It doesn't seem to be as, this generator doesn't seem to be as coherent as those ones yet. Try SpongeBob SquarePants, test the limits. Try something with Minecraft gameplay. Motion speed, yeah, this is a nice gen. I'm pretty happy with this, like, that looks very realistic. Alright. Let us now show you some of my lemon generations. These came out alright. Anthropomorphic lemon sipping on some lemonade, and it's just like too much going on with the hands. You can see it does a cut in that scene's a little bit better, but this scene's kind of garbage. I don't know. It does an okay job, kind of like cartoon art style. This gen didn't come out too great. Oh, Kling, yes. Thank you for reminding me. Harry Potter is a cyberpunk jerk. Okay, like I said, I think that what we should do is generate some stuff with like ideogram and then toss it right in here and see how that goes. This generation was a complete failure, pretty much. Another anthropomorphic lemon sipping on lemonade, and like it kind of gets all the elements like the beach, the lemon, kind of has eyes and a mouth. You know, it's just a little like it doesn't really know what's going on. It's just too complicated for it right now, but it got all of the elements from the prompt in there. They're just not doing the right thing, and they're also a little bit morphed. All right. This was a really cool one that I did. It's supposed to be like drone smooth footage, wide angle. The idea was like a bunny's running through a field and then he jumps into his rabbit hole, but AI is not smart enough like for that prompt just yet. So we just kind of got like a bunny rabbit in his hole and then it's like slowly zooming out. But either way, this is a pretty good looking prompt, I think. I think that's like a nice scene. This just came out nicely. If I pull it up for you guys there. Like, what do you think? I think this is one of the most impressive prompts that I got from Luma so far. Jennifer Lopez crying because she has no fans. Facial expressions of the animations are impressive. Yeah, I've noticed that as well. That's what, especially in comparison to like Pika. Like Pika really tried to lean into that like animated character thing, and this is already better, straight up. Oh yeah, and this is the other generation. It used to do 2 generations. Now it seems like it's doing 1. This is the other generation for the rabbit. It's like he's kind of like crab walking. It's very strange. Just a failure, a flop. Then I got 2 better. This is Pixar style like animated character who is a lemon, and this works better than like anthropomorphic lemon character, at least in my prompting. So you can see that both of these guys look okay. Like this one's a little bit strange. Like it just zooms really fastly away from him, and he's in the middle of the ocean. But it followed the prompt pretty well here. You can see lemon with sunglasses floating in the middle of the ocean. Like that's pretty damn good. I don't know. What do you guys think? This is like probably my favorite prompt so far that I've made. Can it keep consistency somehow? Not with characters unless you use like image. Like if you have a consistent image creator, it's kind of possible with Midjourney and a few others. But if you upload images, then you can do consistent characters. People have been doing me. So Did you get the ones that you tried in your video yesterday? That's what we're doing right now, Paranormal Gaming. We're looking at the ones that I tried in my video yesterday. So when I was experimenting with it personally, the more realistic videos came out much better. Yeah, it's probably trained on more of that. I'm shocked that artificial intelligence is developing so much. This site amazed me. Yeah, this is pretty mind-blowing. I'm really happy to see that it's just like out right away and that everyone can use it. The behavior of the waves as the lemon is going through. Yeah, no, it's an animated thing. Like, it's not perfect, but this is pretty coherent as far as AI video generators go. I'm not expecting perfection yet, Mr. Kurt. You know, this is pretty good, I think, for where we're at today with this technology. So yeah, this one made straight up like Tom and Jerry cat. It's supposed to be like an animated cat jumping through the TV and becoming a real cat. And that's a tough prompt. You know, that's not easy. Look how stable the background is on this one, though. Really, really nice. And then this is the same prompt again, like a cat running around. I don't know, like it looks kind of cool, but again, it's just like a morphy mess. It's a failure. This prompt was way too complicated. You know, for what we were trying to do. See, like animated cat jumps through a TV and then becomes a real cat after he jumps out of the TV. Like, that's too much. That's too much to ask for. No, yeah, it's literally Tom and Jerry. Walter White admiring a giant lemon in his lab. Okay, I kind of want to try that. Thank you, Music AI. Let's try it. Hey, Nick, thank you so much for the $5 donation. Greatly appreciate it. You guys can always donate. You know, I always appreciate that, but there's zero obligation, obviously, and I don't really ask for... Damn, this is still going? I don't like to ask for them. Maximum usage limit exceeded. Okay, we're gonna have to buy a plan. And we'll get to that. Or maybe we'll just do that now. Maybe we'll just do that now, folks. Going back to the full... Oh my god, you're so close to me. Ah. I'm gonna buy a plan. So you guys can look at my face while I do that, because I don't want you seeing my credit card information. I know you're trying to steal it. Account. Alright, let's start with... I'm not spending $100. 120 generations. Let's see. Yeah. Oh, they sent me a code on my phone, guys. Oh, future technology. What is enhanced prompt? It uses like a large language model to, you know, make your prompt a little bit more detailed. Improves your prompts. Just make another account real quick. Okay, true. We could do that. Do you want... Yeah, let's just do that for now. I have other accounts. Luma! If you're watching this, sorry. Now, I'm pretty sure Luma doesn't care, though, honestly. Yeah, let's sign in with another account. Dr. Dimples, that's a good idea. I bought the plan. Items already in queue do not get promoted after purchase. They remain in their queue position. Really? Maybe we could see it reflected in your eyeballs. Definitely not. Thank you. I think that's what, $10 Australian? Thank you, Mad AF. Appreciate your content, Matt. That is freaking awesome, man. I love it. I love you guys. The best viewers in the world. They really should give you priority queue if you pay. That's a little crazy to me. Okay, so we're back, folks. We have another 30 gens. So we'll go through these. I mean, I really don't mind buying a plan at some point, but for now, I should just ask Luma to give me a plan for free. I can DM them that. I should be like, hey, can you please... I'm doing a live stream. Can you please give me plan? All right, guys, let's get some prompts in there. Do you have access to Kling? No, but I do know someone who has access to Kling. Well, I don't really know them. They just DM'd me and they said, hey, do you want to do any prompts with Kling? Baby sloth wearing a onesie. Why don't we do something with like some action, guys? Are there any special perks for premium? No, you just get more gems, Diamond X. I mean, you should get priority queuing. Like, absolutely. I feel like everyone does that, and... I don't know. Okay, a man holding a sign that says MattVidPro AI in a room full of lemons. Sure. Oh no, wait, we already put that in on the other account. Kayleen, we're gonna get back to that. An anthropomorphic dingo in a grass skirt dancing the hula. Alright, sure. That's a fun one. Alright. My 50 Google accounts I've made over the years will come in handy. Big Chungus 1918. I have 2 in queue taking an hour. Kaylin, I've read your prompt. All right, I already put it in on the other account, so we'll go back to it. Oh, this one's dreaming. Okay, so we're doing okay. We're doing all right. I think that for new accounts, or like first gens, they're kind of putting you at the top of the queue to make them like people not be so angry. Yeah, both of these are dreaming now. Prompt, a video made by Sora. A lemon kaiju attacking Tokyo. You know what? Let's do that thing I said I wanted to do real quick. One second. You're gonna have to stare at my face very up close for a few seconds. I want to go to ideogram first and generate them in ideogram. And see how that goes. We're back. We'll do an auto prompt for this. And we'll just 16 by 9 is fine. That's fine. You know, we want to like kind of give the AI a fighting chance or like a starting chance here, giving it like a nice image. Ideogram is amazing, by the way, guys. If like, I don't know why no one uses it, but it's like my favorite. Why does he have the freaking fork and knife? Okay, I like this. Let us save. Let us save. We'll go back here and we'll go and toss that guy in. And we'll put the ideogram prompt in. Instead of vivid illustration, we'll say just like, you know, he's attacking. Go. Cartoon characters like to party. I use it every day. Is it better than Bing AI's DALL-E? I think so. I think ideogram is like literally the best. There it is. All right, anthropomorphic dingo in a grass skirt dancing the hula. Okay, this is good, guys. This came out good. What do we think? Not a bad generation, right? Give it a rating on a scale from 1 to 10. What do you rate this guy right here? Doing the hula. I think the grass skirt is a little like glitchy, but that's a dingo, right? I don't know much about dingoes. I'm pretty sure that's a good dingo. Man in chicken costume has a temper tantrum in the street. I subscribed your video and like, by the way. What? Okay, thank you, Kaylin. Hey Matt, did you ever find out what the open source options might be soon? I'm addicted. Okay, so the only open source one that I know about is the Stability AI one, which isn't great, to be honest. Click on the direct link. Missing an ear. Let's see. Yeah, kind of missing an ear. Let's go. Video new tab. There it is. We can even full screen that puppy if you guys want. Yeah, ideogram is my number 1 as well. Leonardo I haven't seen in a bit, but they keep talking to me. They're like, hey, we just released a new feature, Matt. We just released a new feature. They DM me a lot, but unfortunately, I never really have time to get back to them often. It looks like a Gummy Bear song clip. Fair enough. Look at him. He's doing the jig with his legs, though. I think the grass skirt, like the physics with the grass skirt looks really good. And it zooms up to him. This is a great gen, honestly. When a video about SD3? I don't know. I'm probably gonna wait, Gabriel, until we get a little bit more from the community side on Stable Diffusion 3. because I want to see what people fine tune. I want to see if it turns out being useful, because right now it doesn't seem to be all that useful, and it's censored, which is weird. Woody from Toy Story gets blown up with a rocket. What do you have against Woody from Toy Story, Daves? Night Cafe Studio? I don't know. To be fair, a real dingo could also be missing an ear. It happens. Can you enhance with image references? Yes. I think so. Dr. Dimple says SD3 is an epic failure. I wonder if psychedelic visuals work with AI video generation. Maybe. SpongeBob SquarePants sits on a roof eating a pizza slice. That's fun. Let's put that through ideogram first. And we did get some other gens here. Let's Walter White admiring a giant lemon in his lab. I want to know what that looks like. Okay, I don't know who that is. That's definitely not Walter. It appears to be a lemon, though. Like, he's kind of... This guy is just a guy in a lab admiring a ginormous lemon. It looks like they grew something and they don't know what it is. They're like, how did we end up with this giant lemon? I don't know, sir. This technology in a year is going to be nuts. Yeah, absolutely. What is Dream Machine? Check my latest video, my friends. It is a new AI video generator. Do you think this works better or worse than TuneCrafter? TuneCrafter is a little bit different, though, because you're feeding it images, and then it interpolates or interprets what it's going to be, like what the frames are in between. So this is very different. They're not really comparable in that sense. But more usable in the real world right now, TuneCrafter, for sure. The guy at the bottom looks like he's photobombing. Yeah, he does. He's like, runs in. Game engine powered by AI. You can make 2D games right now. Mickey Mouse gets slapped by Minnie. All right. Folks, let's go back. Now I want to see the Lemon Kaiju. Remember, we did an image input for this guy. And see, that turned out really good, I think. Like, come on. That's nice. Bro, how old are you? I am 24. Goodbye, lots of jobs. Not yet. Not yet. Oh, excuse me. Let's smoke that lemon. I just realized Dream Machine can create non-Euclidean geometry. Yep. Prompt an action scene. You guys gotta feed me with some prompts. You guys keep giving me like really Oh yeah, yeah. What is this? A rating out of 10? What do you guys give this for a rating? Cinematic movie trailer of a mountain biker jumping off a cliff. Dr. Dimples, let's toss that through ideogram first. Clearly, that's like the move, guys. Look at the good gens we're getting. I think that's awesome. It looks dang good, yeah. He's kind of just staring over the city, being like, ah! Lemon Godzilla is low-key crazy. Alright. Let's go to ideogram. I love ideograms so much. Let's put another one through. Can't wait for video generations to be a bit longer. Me too. I can't wait for them to like kind of buckle down with AI video. I mean, next year, folks, is going to be the year of like really good AI video that is super usable. Oh, it's gonna have text on screen. See, the problem is like he's already jumped off the cliff at this point. I'm about to say about to jump off a cliff. About to jump off a cliff. Put that through. Policeman holding a flashlight walks in a forest at night. Real footage shot from the policeman's FPS GoPro camera. Let's try it. I'm liking where your head is at, Hamza Baba. I love it. Love it, love it. What about an anime thing? Something like an anime scene of a dwarf fighting a lemon demon. Oh, I like that too. I thought we put this generation through. Didn't we? Maybe we never did. There we go. Oh, it's like glitching. Okay, hang on, folks. GoPro camera. Generate. Where's GPT-4o voice? I don't know. Did I have an error? What is going on here? This is not his POV that it's generating, bruh. See, like, it's just making a policeman. Real footage. Alright, I'm gonna edit this. I'm gonna edit this prompt for whoever it was. Alien caught walking on ring cam. Okay, I like that too. Alright. POV, policeman walking through a forest with a flashlight. Real footage, GoPro, body cam. There we go. That'll do it. First person POV of a lemon in a blender. The moderator thought you were doing like, oh, pawn. Okay, I see it. Why does it keep not generating first person perspective? I know, I think I have an idea of why it's doing that. It's because we have magic prompt on off. How about a cinematic zoom out starting from the core of a vibrant galaxy with swirling stars and nebulae? Is that the plural of nebula? As the zoom continues, reveal the galaxy as part of a beautiful lady eye. All right. Dr. Giveaway, let's just toss that in straight up. Oh my god, it really... Ideogram is dumb. Okay. Let's just put that right in. I'm just trying to get a man walking through a forest. Like, really? First person perspective. Let's just do this. Markiplier wearing boxing attire, punching a boxing bag. Someone had another alien prompt that I really liked. Remove policeman. Yeah. Yeah, remove policeman because it assumes you want a police guy visible. That's what I did. I just wanted to say that I love the channel and I've been playing with this video generator all night. That's awesome. Like, I don't know what I really don't know what it's doing. I don't know why this is so difficult for it to generate. I guess the walking. Hand, I think we have to be super literal. Hand visible. Yeah, first person perspective facing the forest. Yeah, let's try that. Yes, I do know. Click on the videos to see them. I don't know why the thumbnails aren't working on the website. It's not magic prompt that's doing it. I don't know. It's just they all stink. Hand visible. All these prompts are not coming out great. It's just really throwing ideogram for a loop. All right, hand visible. Like I'm trying to have his hand like up, you know what I mean? Like a video game. I don't know. Hand holding flashlight in bottom right corner. I don't know what is so tough about this. Ideogram is the best. Matt, ideogram is dumb. 5 minutes later, I know. Alright, we're probably losing viewers right now to this because it's so boring to watch me prompt an AI over and over again trying to get the perfect image. There's no... I know, he's holding... Look, now he's holding the flashlight the wrong way. That's a... You know what it is? It's the freaking body cam that's screwing it up. Like, GoPro, camera, that's all screwing it up, I think. Video game footage. Nope, it's gonna do it again. Look at it, dude. I don't even know what to say. I don't even know what to say. He's holding the camera. Try dolly. Switch to dolly 3. Okay. Let's do it. I don't... You know what? We're in too deep with this prompt at this point to give up on it. We're gonna get the good image. First-person camera is just really a struggle for it. Okay. We're just gonna slap it in there. Into dolly, and I bet it'll nail it. Okay, ready? Make me an image of this. Boom. Is Dream Machine still locking up the queue for you guys too? Yeah, see, like, that's way better, bro. Okay, well, I guess I proved myself wrong. This is fun. Let's try this. We did get our cinematic zoom out video though, guys. Let's take a peek. Alright, so it starts at the vibrant galaxy with nebula, and then it continues to an eye, but it doesn't do that. Still kind of a nice gen though. Not bad. Drone shot over the city. Man flustered with AI prompting. A magnificent Mushroom King versus an alien civilization with lasers coming out of their eyes. Oh, I like where your head's out. Let's do that. Alright, I'm going back to ideogram. I want them to prove themselves. You can do this. You can do this, ideogram. Generate. Alright, and let's toss in new video. That's a 3 out of 10, people said, for the nebula. I want to put this in, so I'm going to grab this. And we'll toss this guy in. There it goes. We'll see how that goes. I'm on the waiting list of the Chinese one. When I get access, I'll send you results. I honestly think that ideogram is still good, but I think it's just the first person perspective that was really hard for it. I don't think it just doesn't... It's not fine-tuned for that. Minecraft POV picture on Dream Machine. I've seen people do that in my, Oh, ring cam footage of an alien walking by. Okay, that's funny. Yeah, let's do that. We'll have Dolly 3 do this one. Prompt, MattVidPro oiled up. Jason, you're gonna get banned if you do that again, buddy. No, just kidding. I won't ban you. Spider Monkey's recreating a scene from Twilight. Okay, that's funny. That is really funny. I want 16 by 9. Image ratio. Sometimes the ratio completely changes the image output, yeah. SD3 weight is out, I know. I did see. It's so funny. Man, the Dolly 3 API has gotten a lot faster. All right, that one's dreaming. Put that in. Why are you so sad voice now? I'm not sad. Sparkly spider monkeys. Prompt, YouTuber banning Jason. Swimming in a pool full of dollars. I feel like we had something else going. Yes, we did. Magnificent Mushroom King versus Alien Civilization. With lasers. Again, I'm just gonna... Maybe Dolly 3 is just gonna get it done better for us right now. Ren cam footage of the world exploding. That alien pic could get passed around Facebook real quick. It's pretty good. I like it. I forget the how about is a part of this prompt. Left that in there. A grandma flying in a fire match stick. Hot dog rocket launching into space. MattBro, you're a boss for doing mine. Dude, you had a good prompt. That's all. That's all. Grandma attacking grandkids with a hat. Remarkable. That's not a nice prompt. I'm gonna get banned. Prompt, a live video of a still image. What is the waiting time when it says in queue? We don't know. We don't know. Hey, the forest prompt's done. Hey, that's not bad. It kind of looks like GoPro footage, guys. All right, what's the rating? What's the rating for this one? Out of 10. Out of 10. Giant little girl destroying skyscrapers while helicopters attack her. Look at this, guys. I think this is pretty good. I mean, it looks kind of like GoPro footage. It's a little blurry. And I don't know what's going on with his hand. It looks like he's trying to, like, shoot something out of his hand or whatever. We got a 4, 6 out of 10, 7 out of 10, 8 out of 10, 5 out of 10. Lots of 6 out of 10. So it seems like a 6 to a 7. You guys are rating this one? I like it. I really like the first person perspective. I like the GoPro like warpage with the trees and stuff. It did that part really well. That's called fisheye. The fisheye effect is very, very good. You can see the trees get more stretched as they reach the corner. A bear running towards us. 3 out of 10. The lens glare moving is pretty cool. Yeah, I like that. It looks. I think that this is pretty impressive as far as the skull goes. I don't think refreshing the page is gonna make anything load faster. TBDJ. See? Oh, at least our prompts come through. Aw. He kind of just steps to the side. This one's kind of sad. Whoa! I feel like we should retry that one. What do you guys think? Let's give it another shot. Up to the camera. GoPro Lost in Labyrinth. An alien ballerina. That's the Las Vegas alien footage. Alright, retry that one. It's a little disappointing. Unlucky. Try to make it without the input pick. Can it do VHS style effect? Get everyone to make 30 each. Why is it monochrome? I don't know, because it's like, like ring cam footage or whatever. I know ring cam isn't actually monochrome, but it makes it look cooler. So, Mushroom King versus the aliens. Let's try this one. Whoops. Epic battle. Prompt, Birth of a Star. A chill, whimsical video of a green stereotypical alien smoking in a jacuzzi with a cow next to him. In the jacuzzi, both have sunglasses. The camera gets away from the scene to admire the cool landscape. That's a nice prompt. See, ChatGPT won't generate that for me because, things. So let's do it in ideogram. We're dreaming. Ring cameras aren't monochrome. That's my point. I know. It's not a big deal, though. It still looks pretty cool. A spaghetti mountain avalanche of meatballs coming down on a village of sauce people. That's pretty funny. Let's let ChatGPT try to make that one. I don't know, it might be like, whoa, that's too scary. All right. We got our alien footage done. This one's a little bit better. He looks like he's drunk. All right, rated out of 10, folks. Rated out of 10. Drunk alien captured on the ring. He's coming home. He's like, oh. He lives here, man. Or maybe he thinks this is his spaceship. He's won too many nights at the bar. Let's see. What are you guys going to give it? A 6? He's a bit shaky. 9, 3, 6 out of 10, 5. Fat alien eating a pizza. 5 out of 10, 8 out of 10, 4 out of 10, 5 out of 10, 7 out of 10, 4, 6, 4, 7. Morphing alien, 9. I think this one's pretty good. It's definitely a lot better than the last one. Could be better, though. He definitely looks drunk. Like, it just zooms right in on his face. Like, there he is. That's what I look like coming home at 2 a.m. Monkey wearing glasses. Yeah, I like the zooming in effect, too. I think it looks pretty nice. Alright, so this is the avalanche on the sauce people. Ooh, this is pretty dope. Next to a cow. He's smoking in the jacuzzi next to a cow. Why is the cow, like, morphing, dude? Remix this. Okay, I'm gonna delete a bunch of these things now. Alright, we got our king video. Oh, it's kind of just animated the photo. That's really sad. Oh, well. It extended it, though, which was kind of cool. Yeah, I think this is kind of like... You need, like, a motion slider, almost. This is a 0 out of 10. Big, sad, unfortunately. Please do Sora prompts in the Sora website. Yeah, I wish. I wish, man. Okay, so spaghetti people, I don't know if I want to retry this one. I'm not really a huge fan of this image. This reminds me of the cover picture of the Atari 2600 game Centipede. Alright, I kind of like all these. Alright, let's copy the prompt and let's download the image. He's not in the jacuzzi with the cow, but they're still chilling together. You know? I still think it's pretty cool. Alien driving a car. Please don't spam. Do not spam the chat. I swear to God. Oh, he means use the prompts Sora used in the research paper. Okay, fair enough. Yeah, we could do that. But you're only going to be disappointed. Sora's probably better if we all had to guess. Let's copy the prompt. Oh, delete this, please. Guys, if you keep spamming, I'm going to just, like, ban you. Honestly. Please stop. This one's in queue. I don't know if we maxed out our prompts, if it's going to take forever now to get these done. I hope not. the meatball avalanche seems like it's a little bit difficult to render. Surprise and excitement with fear. They're scared. Fear and horror. The village is made of pasta-themed buildings. Yeah, that's fine. All right, we'll just toss that through. Can you make a pilot ship? Matt said stop. Reflections in the window of a train traveling through the Tokyo suburbs. Okay, yeah, we'll try that. I'm gonna put that in straight up and see what happens with no image. Kanye West publicly pours milk on himself. You try generating famous people. I don't think this will, but we can definitely do it with ideogram. All right, these are a little bit better. The sauce people. Let's copy the prompt and the image and toss this one in. So the meatballs are just tumbling down. I'm gonna crush all the poor tomato sauce people or whatever. Vivid action scene. Hey, thank you, Nick, for another donation. I don't know, but wait for a Japanese version to come out. I'm not sure what you mean by that, Nick. Vivid action scene. Maximum usage limit exceeded. What do you mean? We already generate that. Well, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What do you mean by that? We can only have 2 in queue at once. I think that's what that means. A bottle of whiskey being poured into a glass. That might come out pretty good. I was enjoying Korea right before Dream Machine. Yeah, but Korea's video generator isn't great. Am I using the wrong ideogram model, by the way? Oh yeah, no, this is the right one. You said 0.2 for famous people. 30 for free, then $500. I mean, it's cheap. You can do it for like 30 bucks. It's not cheap, though. Can you do a dragon eating clouds made of ice cream filmed from below? Yeah, let's try it. We'll toss that through Dolly 3 while we wait. I mean, these are generating or loading. They're in queue, theoretically. We might be waiting for a while. Almost an hour on queue. Matt, did you do lemon prompts yet? Because if not, do it, please. No, I did do lemon prompts. You can see them earlier in the stream and also on my Twitter. I mean, at this point, guys, while we wait for these to generate, I might take a look at some of the other prompts that community members and you guys generated inside of or you generated on Dream Machine and then sent into my Discord, which I think is like just linked down below for you guys. Is that right? Is that right? As people in chat to pay for half the plan. That's the plan doesn't get us faster generations, or else I'd pay for it. All right, folks. I am now in the Discord server. Let's go and find Luma videos. When AI gives you nightmares. Hang on. What am I watching right now? There I am. This is what we were doing last night in my Discord server. Yeah, horrifying stuff. Nightmares. All right, man, this Luma... I feel like we're now not in the good side of the queue for Luma. In queue about 1 hour? Alright, well, the Discord looks pretty cool. Here. I can pull it up for you guys so you guys can kind of look at it with me. Hey, CJ, thank you for the $2 donation. I appreciate it. Folks, welcome to the Discord. It's worth joining. I'm wondering why Sora has been quiet lately. Apple Pits, thank you for the donation. Honestly, it's just OpenAI just is taking their sweet time because they know Sora's probably better than everything else. But they want to make sure that the launch goes well because I feel like that makes all the difference. They don't really need to release it when you think about it. But I mean, as more and more pressure comes out. Yeah. Hey, Jay Dreamer Z, thank you for the $10 donation. Love your channel. Prompt. Joe Biden lost in the endless yellow dingy liminal halls of the backrooms. Found footage from the 90s. All right. I like your prompt. Let's put it through. Well, let's see if I have Dream Machine. Pull that up. My thing's all screwed up now. We're going to put it... Since, like, I'm trying to have things in queue right now. We got the ice cream dragons. Let's put it through this one. See how that goes. Yeah, I don't know. Dream Machine is saying that, I think, because we have prompts in queue, right? Why is this taking forever? I think they give you priority queue if you just, like, make an account, like, right off the bat. Let's go back to the Discord server. Some pretty good generations, though, that people have been posting in here overall. Visit by the FBI agents. There they are. These aren't bad, though. This one's not too bad. Hey, random Bleach fan. Welcome. Thank you for the $5 Canadian donation. The launch experience of Sora will be us waiting 9 hours just for one video to render. I really hope not. This one came out pretty good with a guy just watching some explosions happen. I like this. You guys always generate great stuff. Void and Null, thank you for the $5 donation. What's your opinion on why 4.0 hasn't been fully opened? The image gen and video input has to be awesome, but they continue to lock down most functions. Honestly, I don't know why the voice stuff has been locked down so much. Excuse me. It's got to be something like... It's either they don't have the server capacity, or they're like waiting for the right time to kind of drop something or give us that kind of thing. Maybe they think the safety isn't there all the way. Maybe it's not good enough yet. I don't know. Maybe they're having trouble keeping it on rails. I don't know why. I really don't know why 4.0 hasn't been fully opened. I check like almost every day, honestly. Sorry for all the burping, guys. I don't know why I decided to have a soda on stream. We've got a pirate. Looks a lot like Johnny Depp here, though. Not bad. Not a bad generation. Kind of neon signs in the background. It's pretty good. I like this. This guy's got some creative stuff going on. This guy in the Discord. The mushrooms, he's kind of in the water. Like the glowing effect. I love this kind of thing. Dude, imagine in 2 years, how good is this going to be? Everyone's going to have access to it. That's just crazy to me. Isn't it? Like, we're going to be able to make so much fun, cool, creative stuff. What do you think about the now released SD3 weights? I'm waiting to see what the community does with it. Splattenburgers, thank you for the ISK 1000. I'm not exactly sure what that equates to, but we got a prompt of Putin and Biden deciding to settle the Ukraine war by playing a Quake deathmatch. Biden has his stroke and Putin is declared the winner. Dude, I don't think that's gonna... Did you just want me to read that? Because I don't think that's gonna go over well in the Luma Dream Machine. That's a little complex. My God. Okay. This looks cool too, man. You guys are so good at prompting, like in the Discord server. If any of you are watching from the actual Discord, like, man. The talent, off the charts. I'm a big fan of this stuff. I don't know, talent, is prompting a talent? I guess so. Oh yeah, Bread is spamming. You know what, Bread? We're not doing the Family Guy episode. It's just gonna generate some, like... I'm putting you in timeout for spamming, man. There's nothing wrong with asking for a prompt, but when you do it in a spam-like fashion, you get timed out. This looks cool. Look at this thing floating up in the air. The buildings look really nice on this one. Very coherent over time. Look at this. This is a nice one. That has to be like an image, right? That got prompted. I like the whole cyberpunk vibe is so cool. Joe Biden winning a spider eating contest. Where do you guys get these ideas? Love from India. Oh, thank you very much. Here we've got this one. Oh, this is sick. Look at all these old... Oops, I accidentally full screened it. Look at all these old TVs. Love it. Wow, there's so much... This is clearly, like, supposed to be that scene from Harry Potter. But it kind of just animated, like, a static image moving backwards through, like, a 3D hall. Which is a little weird. That's not bad. The motion's pretty good. Painting to realistic. Change of style, yeah. That's too bad. Yeah, the style. I don't know. The style change is something they're going to have to work on, too. Not bad motion, though. The motion is the most impressive thing about this generator. This is like what Pika Labs and Runway advertise themselves to be. Another alien one. There he goes. That was cool. Cow did not get lifted up. Lord Matt is in the house. Where do I post prompt requests? You can just toss them in here, or you can generate them yourself and then put them in the Discord, which is what we're looking at right now. These creations are still in the freaking queue. Yeah, whoever said that you do 8 generations and then it makes you wait was spot on, because that's what's going on. Alright, because we have all these prompts that we wanted to. Not Joe in the back rooms. Man, they are still in the freaking queue. Cow abducted the alien. Alright. Yeah, someone says refresh. Let's see. Nope, still in queue. Man. Someone says look at the Discord. What do you guys want to do? Should I try to get another account? I haven't paid yet, Music AI. I was thinking about it. Oh, man. 8 per day per hour or what? Luma had creative partner. They do have a creative partner program of some form or function. They wanted to get me in there, but I didn't get in time. Matt, create another account and generate the videos again. We'll do that one more time. Because I have one more account that I think I can use for this stuff. Videos with attractive woman always yell lack of imagination. I mean, like, it's just a good subject, man. That's an opinion, I suppose. I'm not gonna, I'm not gonna be out here judging everybody. Guys, let's sign out and let's try a new account, and this will be our final stretch here with some, because it won't even matter if I pay for a plan. That's the worst part, is it's not even gonna help the stream at all. If I pay for a plan, we're just gonna be waiting in queue, and I'm not doing that for sure. The account is the issue because they're purposefully queuing up prompts from brand new accounts. Like the first 8 prompts you do get auto queued, and everyone else gets backed up. So I get why they're doing it. They're trying to let new people get like into the get some generations through. Attractive woman equals a good prompt. Make a new account and then it goes faster. Yes, it is the account. All right, but Biden eating spaghetti off of Trump's head whilst riding. Like what, Miles? All Matt gens. How about we move on to 11 Labs sound effects? Well, we can do that at some point. We have a lot of generations built up in the Discord that are fun to look at, I have to say. I was able to get 2 outputs to convert into Gaussian splats. That's kind of rough. The render got me super excited. Yeah. No, I know. Like, there's going to be straight up, like, image to 3D. I mean, we can train models on 3D stuff too, can't we? To just generate 3D objects? The possibilities of AI are endless. Anyways, we got fast gens back. So let's toss some more in here for you guys. We'll do Brandon now. Toss him. Failed the generation. Wait, what? Oh, because it's. Yeah. Famous people, folks. Say, old man. Can't put Brandon's name in there. Put Red Dead Redemption into a data set and feed it text to 3D. Space Goblins. Hey, Roro, what's up? Brandon Kraft. Hey, I'm Brandon. Remove enhanced prompt for failed prompts. We also had this one. Dragon eating clouds. Filmed from below. Let's try enhanced prompt off. Animated movie scene. Matt sweats. I'm not sweaty, guys. Stop. I'm literally not even sweating at all. That's the thing. Like, there's no water. I have a skincare routine devised by my girlfriend, which involves lotion on my face. I promise. And so I just look a little slick, but I'm not sweaty. You are wet. Don't call me wet. Matt sparkles. He's glowing. MattVidPro. No. I can't with you guys. I really can't. Okay, and then we have I think these were it. And then yeah, cuz we had some dono prompts. AI girlfriend. No, I don't have an AI girlfriend. Maddie Slick. You know they're just trolling you, right? No, I like to play into the trolls. Come on. We got to get some like Matt memes going. You know what I mean? This chat is hilarious right now. Moist. Moisty. Matt Moist Pro, Matt VidGlow. Look, guys. I mean, we have a lot of Matt memes in the Discord server, so if you ever want to see those, if you ever want to be a part of the making fun of me. All right, we have our Joe Biden prompt. It doesn't really look too much like him, but it works good enough. It's not bad actually. This is a good gen. 1 to 10, guys. 1 to 10. What do you think? He's enchanted. Matt critical. Guys, we're reviewing this prompt now. Get over the moist thing. Oh my god. 1 out of 10. What do we rate it? I like the reflections on the side of the walls. 7 out of 10, 8 out of 10, 8, 8, 7. People like this one a lot. 10? Ooh, this one's getting some great ratings. It does look like Joe Biden, like in the first scene, but then he quickly kind of 7.5, negative 1 out of 10, 7 to 8. Jumbo hand. Let's see. Yeah, you're kind of right. No likeness of Joe Biden, but it's still pretty good. Typical politician walking down a hallway. Yeah, this guy. Put this guy in Congress. He's ready. This man is ready for Congress. Moist, manly, Matty, Matman. Guys, we gotta stop with that. Typical congressman. Oh my god. Alright. Like I said, I mean, these gens be coming out. Oh, that's too bad. I thought it was gonna animate it a little bit more. Yeah, I'm gonna give this like a 4 out of 10 or a 3 out of 10 from me. It's pretty clear and I like the talking, but he's supposed to be eating clouds of ice cream. Like, what's happening? Big Bird. Trying to save you from my burp sounds. I don't, like, honestly, I don't know why I've been burping so much. Walter White menacingly offers kids suspiciously blue lollipop. That's funny. Hang on, let's pause it. Charlene, I'm not going to do the DMT prompt because I really don't think it's going to work. To be completely honest with you, I think it's really niche. I'm going to do the Walter White prompt. Because I think it will work if we do, like, ideogram. You know what I mean? Here, hang on. Let's go back out. They're suspiciously blue. Suspiciously. I think this one might work if we just, like, not auto-prompt it. What's the best generation you've seen so far? The ones in the Luma examples, obviously. Yeah. Joe in the halls of the back room. Patriotic dragon bursting through the flames of freedom. Matt and cheese. Matt has fast AF internet. Did you guys see that loading time? Yeah, I do. I do have fast internet. Like, you have to, okay? I mean, if you're gonna do YouTube, you need some fast internet, man. I use it every day. I use it all the time. It's so worth it. Matt, go to Minecraft video on Discord Luma videos. Ah, the old girlfriend skincare routine. Oh, Turkey, that makes me laugh, man. Do you guys want to look? I mean, I have had problems with my face for a long time, and she freaking knows what she's doing. All right, look at this. Look at this skin. It's looking so much better than it used to. Go back to my videos like 2 years ago, and this is way better. Way less acne. I mean, it's clearer. It's glowing, as they say. Matt 8K HD glowing VidPro? Like, come on, man. Matt's a baller. You're damn right. All right, hear me out, Joe Obama. How about Joe Mama, Miles? All right. Did we in fact get a nice... No, see, like, that's not... This is not Walter White, bro. Who is this, actually? Who the hell is this? This is not Walter White at all. Matt, what's your favorite AI tool? I love large language models. It's to the bottom of my freaking core, man. I love large language models. It's the models I just use them all the time. I love them. Less dark spots and more clearer skin. I agree. Yes. Muhammad. That's what I'm saying, dude. We do have better lighting than we used to. Yeah, this guy kind of looks like Beetlejuice. I'm unhappy with Luma's performance. I mean, dude, what are you gonna do? It's the best model we have access to right now. And that's just a fact. That's a scary old man. Walter White from Breaking Bad. Let's see if this works. Matt is Romanian. I am not Romanian. I am Portuguese. Half Portuguese, half random white boy. There it is. This is better. Look at him. Look how, like, he's sniffing it and stuff. See, these don't look enough like Walter. Come on, Walter. Let's do a remix of this, and we'll do, like, image weight 40. Just to give it a bump up. Beetlejuice and Gold Dust had a child. Walter Witch. Do it in Midjourney. Guys, you're going to be mad at me. Hang on. Thanks. These are getting close-ish to Walter. Walter White. Red goatee. How do you spell goatee? Like this? I guess so. Anyways, Portuguese, I didn't guess. Walmart Walter. I know. Walter. Put the DS away, Walter. That's a decent Walter. It's not gonna, let's be honest. The generation's kind of gonna get ruined anyways by Dream Machine. So let's just put it through. Yeah. There we go. Let's put it. Matt, what is your opinion on piracy? What kind of piracy are we talking about? Are we talking about, like, 1800s piracy? Or are we talking about modern day piracy? You got to get specific. Bryan Cranston as Walter White. Ooh. Oh, yeah, let's just do this. It doesn't like Walter White in the prompt. Failed to generate for suspiciously what? Why is it not working? Do you even need to prompt it? Oh, there we go. All right, now it went through. No idea what happened there. I guess he talks about video game. I was trying to be funny. Video game piracy, I mean, here's my opinion on video game piracy, folks. How old are you? How much money do you have? I think that if you're a young kid, it's okay. It's kind of all right, sometimes to. Yeah, especially because, like, at least when I was a kid, whenever I would pirate a game, I'd end up buying it on Steam when I got older and had enough money anyways. Does that make sense? That's my, like, as long as, like, you're broke and you're wanting, like, once you have money, you are going to buy it on Steam. I think that's fine. Because let's be real, I mean, we've all kind of thought about it at least. A lot of us have pirated games. Depends on the game too, man. Like, a lot of games are nothing without their online these days. So, and also if the game is super old, like Mario on NES or something like that, I mean, they're not making any money off that anyways. I think retro games, like, completely fine. If the game isn't even being sold, yeah, tell Nintendo to shut up. I saw there was a video on my recommended, like, the war against ROMs or something like that. How about pirating Adobe products, someone asked. I mean, Adobe's stealing your money anyways. Actually, I do pay for an Adobe subscription. I don't know, I shouldn't be too controversial, alright? Pirating is technically illegal, alright? It's not, you wouldn't download a car. But You know, guys, I mean, it happens. Dolphin emulator. I never really used Dolphin. Guys, you know, I don't use emulators, actually. I'm just this cool, ready? I play the actual consoles. So Nintendo, when I download your ROMs, Nintendo, I own the game. And I already played it on the freaking Nintendo. Whoops. You guys are going to see blurry Matt for a second while I put this back. Ban Speedy. No. Speedy's awesome. Speak Portuguese, Matt. I don't know how to speak Portuguese. All right. I think our Walter gen is done now that we got off track. Let's go back to our generations. Okay, this came out good. What do you guys think? 1 to 10, 1 to 10. He looks like he's trying to like convince him to have the candy. I wish I could do a good like Walter impression. Take the candy. I can't do it. Nine, someone says? Walter. Put the DS away, Walter. You're jamming the signals, Walter. People love this one. 10, 10, 10, 9, 9, 8.2, 100. The lemon looks good. Where's the lemon? 9.5, 7. What do you think about Stable Diffusion 3? So here's my thoughts on Stable Diffusion 3. It's kind of up to the community at this point to unjailbreak the model, so to speak, and make it you know, actually usable, because right now it's just like a base model. 100% chemically pure candy. Yeah, people love this one. All right, so this is our favorite generation so far today. All right. I love it. Let us, you know what? Let's also do that idea that someone else had. I want to see how good we can get for like. There we go. I just want to see how good we can get of an image of Walter White like handing someone a candy, just for fun. Kid was like, "You want to poison me, huh?" SD base models always suck. Wait a month or two before using it. Yeah, I'm not even going to make a video on it yet. I mean, if I do like a general news video, I might talk about it. Maybe I should just get rid of this red goatee at this point. I think it might be screwing up the prompt. Tight, tight, tight. Kaylin, please stop. No spamming. Why is Walter eating the popsicle now as well? All right. I give up on this whole thing. Let's try some new prompts, folks. Let's get them in there. Blue, yellow, purple, whatever, kid. Just keep eating that. Let's get them. We got, on this account, we got what, 5 more? Tuco Salamanca. I want to see those prompts. I want to see those prompts. Oh, the off a cliff prompt. Yeah, we never got around to that one, did we? Chuck Norris unaliving a bear with water. Teddy bear washing dishes. Okay. Yeah, let's try it. Let's have this one cinematic. Just for fun. And we can do like a different aspect ratio. Do you want to try like a 4:3? An alien farting, bro, really? That's why it looked like he was talking, I think, because you had a reed goatee. Yeah, okay, that's fair. Yeah, I kind of... Wow, these came out good. Very cinematic. Let's download. And toss them through. Let's look at this prompt. Whimsical cinema movie scene of a... Okay. I wish this prompt box would get larger. It's kind of annoying. Oh, there it goes. Alright, let's just do this. No enhancement there. Let's just pop that in. The lemon and yoga attire performing a complex yoga pose. I want something with like a little bit more movement, maybe. Jesus hitting the gritty. You know what, Zenith? Let's just see what Ideogram thinks of that, and then we'll go from there. Okay, man. Urban Nerd Beats, love your vids, bro. Thank you very much. Appreciate it, man. Appreciate that. Teacher Matt teaches Kaylin how to be famous. Look, man, I'm not famous, so I wouldn't know. Yo, Jesus is hitting the gritty. Yo. All right. Let's see if we can get something that actually kind of looks like it. Jesus hitting the gritty woke me up. Matt is the best AI news source I have. Well, I appreciate that. I don't really cover everything, I feel like. I'm not as good as some of the others, in my opinion, but I try. Dude, some of these are kind of like, dang, man, he really be hitting that. Traditional biblical attire performing an impressive and energetic dance move, the gritty. Yes. Yes. This is so stupid. Oh, this is why I ask you guys for prompts, though. You guys know what you're doing. Will he gritty? No, definitely not. Thou shalt gritty. Amen, baby. Amen. 3D Disney characters. We did try that in the beginning of the stream where I showed off some of the gens they did in that style. You're the best because you're the only one that engages like this. Oh, thanks, man. I don't like to compare, right? We're all different. We all have our own things to offer. I talk to a lot of the other AI YouTubers. I mean, you name it, and I probably have spoken to them. I do want to be very, like, community interactive. I feel like that's fun. You know? Did you hear that Suno has released the sample upload feature? It is awesome. I haven't checked that out, but I did hear that it came out. So it's on my list. Show us the fourth one. Oh yeah, this one's... his hands are kind of screwed up. How about this? We'll remix this one. Since you guys just love a good old image. Let's say we'll put in the negative prompt like deformed, ugly, messed up, gross, mushy, blended, blurry. And yeah, we'll do like image weight 50 and see if it cleans it. Lots of good ones in Discord now. But Wolf is here watching. I don't know, Wolf is definitely not here. He'd be leaving comments. Me and Wolf are tight though, we're homies. What can I say? Man, it keeps screwing Jesus' hands up. Dude, he's just so impressive, this guy. Do like photo yeah, photo. I just want like an epic Jesus photo. They need to put these in church. Swag, jeez. Change model. No, this is the best model. There's a 1.0 and there's an 0.2. This is the best model. Trust me. Trust me, trust me. They keep messing his hands up. Thoughts on David Shapiro from Random Bleach Fan? Yeah, we could talk about David Shapiro. I'm going to be real. I haven't watched a lot of his content because I really don't get around to watching a lot of other people's content in general on YouTube, like in terms of AI stuff. I honestly try to stay away from it because I want to be like more original. I don't want to watch other people's content and be like, "Oh, I like what they do there." You know what I mean? So, but yeah, David Shapiro, he's pretty philosophical from what I think, or from what I've heard. I've spoken to him a little bit. We've been trying to get him on the little podcast thing that we've been doing every 2 weeks on the AI community channel, but from what I know, like he's a nice guy. From what I've spoken to him, like I have spoken to him a little bit, and I've seen him talk to other people in the group chats, and he seems like a nice guy. What do you think about time travel? We got a donation of 20-somethings from someone. Time travel. It's an interesting one to think about. I think time is... If you actually want to know what I think about time travel, getting deep, I guess. This is kind of off topic. I don't think time moves or operates in... I think the way that we see time operate is more of like an illusion than an actuality, let's say. So I think whether you go forward or backwards, like it's not really a forward or backwards type of a thing. I think it's more of like a multi-dimensional thing, if that makes sense. So if you're moving from one point to another in time, it's not necessarily like this is the timeline and this is the only way it operates. There's infinite levels to it. Sort of like if you think of it in like less than a 2D sense and more like a 3D sense. That makes sense? I don't know. I'm probably not explaining that very well. Anyways, so Jesus hitting the Gwitty. Oh, we have our anthropomorphic thing. Yes. Hey, that came out okay. Oh. And he kind of walks away. That's sad. I was hoping for this one to turn out better, guys. Because the first generation was so good from Ideogram. Einstein would be proud. Time is not linear, yes. Multiverse, yeah, all that stuff. I don't know how you would talk about it, but I mean, again, that's like really off topic for this stream, so I don't want to go too deep into that. Have you heard of Stable Audio OpenMat? Yeah, I did see that. I think I bookmarked it on Twitter, but it's like an open source music generator. What do you think about BuyCloud? I love BuyCloud. I've spoken to him on multiple occasions. He's a really nice guy, covers research. BuyCloud has been talking about AI stuff since before me, before Matt Wolf, before any of us. Like, he's back with like 2-minute papers, man. BuyCloud's awesome. He does great videos. Entertaining stories, I agree with you. Yeah, he kind of derped out on the exit. All right. I think our Jesus grittying is done. Oh, you guys are gonna be disappointed. Why? Why? It didn't even animate him. It's just zooming in. This is so sad that we definitely need to redo it. Let's do this image too, because I worked hard to get this one. Whoops, didn't download yet. Are you Christian? 20 somethings again. Legally, yes. The law or the government thinks I am a Catholic. But actually, I probably wouldn't fall into that category if you were making categories. All right, let's do animated movie scene Jesus break dancing. Lots of move. We'll say, yeah, we'll just do break dancing. We'll just do break dancing. I'm so sad about Jesus. That was such an epic fail. The AI nailed it. Is that a Jesus joke? They did not. It did not. Man, it is really sad though that sometimes it does stuff like this. We really need like a motion slider kind of a thing. This is such an epic scene of Jesus. Like that just goes so hard. I just realized that we can replace this prompt with literally anything we want. So we can say like Squidward. Squidward. Let's see it. The iconic gritty. It's scared to animate Jesus. Or a motion brush. Hey, that's true. Have you tried car drifting? I like cars in general. I'm just not even going to touch right now because, yeah, these models don't do cars well. Typically, Sora has done it the best that I've seen so far. Damn, this doesn't even look like Squidward. What is this? Who is this? This isn't even like Walmart Squidward, man. This is like freaking dollar store Squidward. Get him out of here. Clothes are a tad fancy for him, though. Jesus Christ has entered the chat. All right. Okay, this is dreaming. That's good. We're still getting fast prompts. Guys, thou shall not deepfake Mr. Christ. Guys, okay. Something just came up on my ideogram feed, and I don't even know what to say. I don't even know what to say. Guys, I want to get some prompts going here. I want to finish up our Luma prompts, and then we'll take a look at some community ones before we end the stream. Hey, Matt, question. The subscriptions plan on Dream Machine does not say what the benefits are. They remove watermarks and they make upscales. Please answer. I'm going to be completely honest with you. I think it's just more generations. I don't think you get any watermark removal. I don't think you get any priority in the queue. I don't think you get any upscaling. They have like no features. Honestly, make more accounts. That's what I would say. Like, just if you want to test this thing out right now, not really worth it to pay for any plan. Cool, but I am Hindu. That's okay, man. Oh, thank you for the donation, by the way. Again, guys, religion is its thing. I mean, everyone's got their own opinions in life, and that's fine. People don't have to always agree. I don't know what it is with people lately, and like feeling like everyone needs to be on the same page. Everyone needs to agree with each other. That's not how things work at all. Okay, I mean, we can try to. People are going to agree on some things, but no one's going to agree on everything. So, don't stress about it, guys. Let other people be different than you. It's just how it is. Just how it is. 0.2 is better at characters and people than 1.0. Let's try it. Albert Einstein playing the piano. If we all agreed, then we would all be robots. Exactly, man. That's right. Again, this is like Jesus Squidward, but this is more like Walmart Squidward. Thanks for the answers. Very smart move. All right, we're not getting into a religion, Georgina Jungle. We're not getting into a religion argument today. What software do you use to stream, Matt? I use OBS. Dang, it kind of just did it again. Maybe it is scared to animate Jesus. This is a little bit better, though. Still not great. Kind of disappointing. It's kind of like, like a freeze frame. It looks cool. Squidward is cursed. Beer belly Squidward. All right. Let's get some prompts. Okay, yeah. So Albert Einstein playing the piano, someone said, I think. Let's try this. We'll try 0.2 because someone said it was better at people. If it doesn't work out, we can try the other model. I use DALL-E 3 for creative generations, then merge with a reference photo of a real person via Leonardo to give the concept of art realism. From there, Dream Machine works pretty well. That's not a bad little workflow. Honestly. Okay, this looks quite a bit like Albert Einstein. Let's download this. Meta's generated knockoff Squidward, and it made me laugh so much. Jesus does Chai Chi. Are you afraid of someone cloning your voice? I can't be afraid if it already has happened, man. People have cloned my voice. It's available on multiple websites. In fact, I cloned my own voice, and it's essentially for sale on 11 Labs. You can pay to use it. It's a little expensive, though, because I don't really want a lot of videos of my voice floating around, but yeah, they're out there for sure. I get messages maybe a few times a month saying like, "Hey, I found your video or a video of you or a video on YouTube, and it's like you narrating it." Let's see. I'm hoping for more motion again. Ugh. Sorry, I had a little bit of a cough there. Premium MattVidPro voice. It's like they're training the model not to be able to do famous people. I mean, that might be true. Oh yeah, Lionlight95 asks me if it's worth it to have Midjourney. It depends on what you want to do with your AI image generation. I don't use Midjourney right now. By the way, this is Indian rupees. Well, thank you very much for another 20. I don't know what the conversion rate is, but I appreciate it regardless. MattVidPro. Knock off SpongeBob. Can I call my girlfriend with Matt's voice? Yo, are you still live? I'm here. I'm live right now, aren't I? When's the new voice mode coming out for ChatGPT? Not for a while, man. Probably towards the end of the summer. I believe. I mean, I don't have information. Let's see. I have some information from insiders. Let me look and see what I can tell you. On Twitter. Ooh, this is a nice generation from Luma Labs. There's like it's like a shark video. It's pretty cool, guys. Oh, you're not even going to be able to see it. Yeah. I just opened up Twitter to like a nice shark. Um. Well, I have some stuff about Sora. Sora's not out yet, but it will come out, obviously. We already know that. Um. So, okay. The information that I heard is already outdated because I was given a date for the release of GPT-4o, and yeah, it's past that date, so I have no idea what's going on. I heard GPT-5 is currently being trained. It better be, man. Courage the Cowardly Dog. Cheers, Matt. They're taking too long. I know, right? Cheers, folks, to drinking soda and burping on stream and probably annoying everyone. I'm sorry, guys, for the burping. Hey, our Albert is done. Again, it's just, what is it? Maybe it is with like the people and the famous people. It's like not animating them. Someone might be onto something. Knockoff Matt video, Mark Tube Light. They could lock Sora away forever if they wanted, but they'll probably wait. I don't know. I think they should just release Sora before the election. I mean, are people really going to end up generating like famous celebrities with it? If they never let Microsoft get a hold of it, because Microsoft just gives it to us like unrestricted. They keep doing that. Public domain. Yeah, is Albert Einstein public domain, guys? There's no reason to use the name in the prompts. You can just say man playing the piano. Even that didn't work, though. It's like a security thing. It might be. It seems to do that with a lot of pictures overall. Hey, that's fair. That's fair. I think it might just be like because this is new and they haven't really they haven't given us like any kind of a motion slider yet to deal with this kind of stuff. Truckee says, "Hey Matt, what's up?" Yeah, when do people go into the public domain? I'm pretty sure like the estate or whatever like has the right to like the usage of people after they pass or something. I don't know. Try an animated character. Yeah, let's do an animated character, guys. Let's do something. I want prompts. I want prompts. I want prompts. Oh wait, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, this is like our last prompt before we look at the ones that are in Discord. So final prompt. See ya, Matt. Bye, Universal. Futuristic warrior on the battlefield. Okay, I like where we're headed. Flamingo wearing sunglasses and a fedora, riding a unicycle. Little complicated. Prompt ideas, folks. Prompt ideas. A screenshot of the Lion King, camera panning around a cartoon anthro cat as a 1920s gang member holds a Tommy. And the night. Okay, that's a pretty cool one. Kitten riding a skateboard. Crying lemon looking at a Disney princess with a flamethrower. Okay, kind of like that. Let's try princess like you. Let's build upon the flamethrower one. I feel like that could be animated. Like, you know what I mean? Maniacal. How do you spell maniacal? Did I just nail that? Cool. Holding and using a flamethrower to blow flames. Cinematic movie scene. Let's try it. Good afternoon, everyone, including MattVidPro. Yeah, I know. I've seen the mock movies, Kalen. Maniacal. Did I spell it wrong? Are you going to get an image first? Not for this one. We already put it through, but I'm living in the future. Technically, you guys see a slight delay from me. It seems to do fire well. Like, Luma's Dream Machine seems to do fire pretty well, so I have, like, high hopes, for sure. Note to anyone thinking of purchasing a subscription. If you've already used the 30 free outputs generations, make a new account. Otherwise, really, it deducts the 30? I was thinking about that potato face when I was like, man, like, is it going to count the 30 gens already? Because that's kind of scummy. Like, that kind of makes you feel like, oh, my gens weren't free. That's just BS, man. I'm kind of upset that they're doing that. Yeah, if you are planning on buying a plan, guys, which I honestly wouldn't recommend yet, wait until they give you more features. Wait till we have upscaling, faster generations, priority queue. Wait till we have more features before buying a plan. Like, that is my recommendation. But if you do have to buy one, definitely make a new account. Princess with a flamethrower is crazy. I don't get delayed because you can 2-speed YouTube Live. Bro, you're definitely still getting delayed. I can tell that there's a delay because I ask you guys to rate stuff and it takes like 30 seconds. Greg Seymour AI says, "Hi MVP, what's up?" No resetting, free generations, no way. Yeah, I know. That's crazy, dude, to do, especially after spending $30. Yeah, waiting until this thing's worthy of a $30 plan. Absolutely. That means $30 equals 90 gens, unless you make a brand new account, right? I mean, like, yeah, the most expensive plan is insane, but some people are just that rich. That's the thing. Some people just have money like that to just blow on stuff like this, so I can't say, like, you guys shouldn't have made paid plans, because some people want to make more generations, but they should have done priority queuing for people who paid. Oh my god! Yeah, Maniacal is right. This is... I mean, there's no flamethrower. It sounds like she just went absolutely insane. This is kind of horrifying. Like, this is genuinely scary. Oh my god. I'm terrified right now. What do you guys think of this? Rate this one like 1 to 10. PSA, MattVidPro is now officially here on YouTube. Yeah, 10. Absolutely terrifying. That was a quick generation. Actual nightmare fuel. Yeah, this one's terrifying. Lemon out of 10. Matt, are you a full-time YouTuber? Yes, I am. I actually just graduated college like a little over a month ago. And now we're doing YouTube full-time. We're going to give it a shot, see how far we can get. You know? I appreciate it. You guys are the reason I can even do this in the first place. Demon out of 10. 10 lemons. 8, 9. People love this one. All right. I take no bad energy from that generation. Yeah, this is absolutely horrifying. I mean, that's probably the scariest Dream Machine generation that I've seen. Okay, folks, so let's talk about what's going to happen next. Next up, I am continuing this live stream for just a little bit longer. We're almost 2 hours in, so I'm going to do maybe another 15-20 minutes. We're going to explore through the Luma videos. So if you have any videos that you generated and you would like to share on stream, go join my Discord with the link down in the description below and go to Luma Videos and post your favorite videos, and we'll take a peek at them. For now, let's just answer some questions while you guys kind of maybe get in there, send some through. Yeah, Luma Videos channel. Excuse me. Matt AF asks, will you be starting channel memberships? I've thought about it. I don't know. Don't I have to offer you guys extra stuff? I don't have time to like make extra content for you guys. So I'm not going to like do channel memberships if it's not worth it for you guys. Congrats on college grad. Thank you, Dr. Dimples. Man sliding into heaven from a rainbow. I'm too afraid to say this, but this should be free and open source. Or make it a low and fair price, I think, perhaps. I mean, I think that the free generations, the fact that they are giving you free generations with a new account is good enough to test this thing out and give people access and let people try it. Open source is coming this year. I guarantee we're going to see a model that good open source by the end of this year. Probably within like a month or so. Here comes 2,000 videos in the server. I know, right? Yeah, okay, guys, let's head on over to the Discord. Look at these image to video and stuff. Can I zoom in a little bit? No, I can't. The movements aren't bad. Look at all this. Some like psychedelic 70s style thing. Yeah, all your messages are going to be on screen, so... I mean, if you want to start spamming like slurs and stuff, I'm going to ban you from my Discord immediately. No, not queso. Wow, backrooms. Look at all this stuff. Good vibes. Looks like a dolly gen, maybe. That's pretty cool. This turned out almost perfect. I mean, it's cool for sure. Oh, I feel like I'm scrolling through TikTok, but it was generated by AI. The Freddy Fazbear cam is wild. It looks good at first, and then it kind of turns out crappy. Like, what are some of these? Like, what is this? There's your Walmart SpongeBob, folks. All kinds of crazy gens in here. Yeah, you guys all put these up while I was streaming. Oh my god, that is nightmare fuel, bro. What is that? Oh, that's awful. Yeah, that's what I'm saying, dude. I'm with you on that. That was... Ugh. I'm not even going to show that again. That was disgusting. No, Sonic and Knuckles have been combined. With What's-Her-Face, too. Another one of the characters from the Sonic cast. Still pretty good, though. Pretty consistent. I like the buildings in the background and stuff. Ooh, we got like a rotating little ball. That's cool. That shows like an understanding of physics and light and the way it works pretty well. That is actually genuinely impressive. We got Mr. Beast animated with Sonic. I love how I could tell it was Mr. Beast like right away. Okay, this is dope. That's pretty sick. Afro skeleton guy. We got the alien ripping the car. Who wanted this? Someone wanted this so bad. Who was it? Kaylin, was it you or was it someone else? It does horror so well. Yeah, I know. Cursed. That alien's just like absolutely bugging out. I really like this video though. I think this is a fun gen. Sean, another freaking $100 donation, man. Dude, that is amazing. Thank you so much, Sean. You don't have to do that, man. But I appreciate it, of course. MVP just dropped a lemon pool party vibe in the Discord. Luma videos. Just don't hit me up about Sora or GPT-4o voice yet. They're coming soon. Much love from San Francisco fam. So if you guys didn't know, Sean, again, thank you for the donation. But Sean works at OpenAI. I believe works in API stuff, but he does have some insider information, technically speaking, that he probably isn't going to give any of us, including me. So, but yeah, thank you, Sean. You rock, man. You're the best. Dude, Sean is single-handedly funding our live stream today. Oh man, he makes it. He made it worth it, man. This has been awesome. Oh man. Oh, dude. I can't believe it. I cannot believe that I can even get a donation like that. It's just so crazy. I don't feel like I deserve that, but thank you, Sean. My gosh. Okay. Checking out a few more of these Luma videos. Oh god. Speedy, what did you do? Are you still here? It's a nice video of me, and then it moves over to like this chick. Guys, don't show my girlfriend this video. She'll be like, wait, you have an actual AI girlfriend? I love how the microphone's like almost the same though. Like this is the same microphone that I have here. That's pretty interesting that it was able to kind of duplicate the microphone twice. And I look pretty good like overall talking. Man, that's crazy. So now everyone's trying to ask Sean when Sora's gonna come out. AI replaced Matt. You should see all the donations to gambler streamers and then reconsider who deserves it. Ooh, fair enough. She's alive, waifu. There, here's this one. Kind of nice, like elven type of thing. It's kind of like the morphing. Like, it's definitely... I think it's fair to conclude we've seen a lot from Luma. I think Sora's probably better. Even Kling, I would say, is probably better from everything that we've seen so far. But, like, you know, we can use this today. I think that's kind of why Luma wanted to get it out so fast, because they're like... They saw Kling and they're like, oh. Like, we gotta rush this out. Shame chair, too. Do not, guys, do not start naming the girl, the AI-generated girl next to me in this video. Wow, this is cool. It's like from a music video or something. That's actually a really cool one. I'm a fan. Whoops. Whoa. What happened? Oh man, we like lost it. Oh well. It's just all today. Oh no, we like went way early. Yo, the kitty lasers? That's crazy. That is nuts. He said coming soon. Sora, Sora's coming soon. It's coming this year for sure, I bet. Oh yeah, you can see the cars are just always such a struggle for these models, huh? Walking up the street looks pretty good though. Is this this is from today's live stream? Like what? What is this, dude? Oh my gosh. Megan, come look at this video. My sister's here. I'm about to end the stream pretty soon, but here, my dog can be on the stream. Look at this video someone generated of me. That's actually horrifying.
Oh, you look like you're 12.
I know. Yeah.
Haircut.
They definitely heard that. I saw it on the thing.
Average banana enjoyer.
Average Vanna.
Oh, that's.
Why am I going so fast? That would freak mom out. That would freak mom out.
He's all sad.
Oh, puppy, cute doggy. All right. Someone did some more generations here. You could take this guy.
He wants to be.
Well, I can't really. Yeah, he wants to sit up here on my desk. All right. So we got some I think someone kept requesting a Minecraft generation at some point. This looks pretty good though. I mean, it does a pretty like This is someone for context, Megan. Someone uploaded a photo or a screenshot of Minecraft and then it tries to animate it. Did an okay job, like not too bad, honestly, all things considered. Here we got this thing. I don't know what this is. I don't know what that is, but
That's Huggy Wuggy.
yeah, it kind of didn't come out
It's
too
like
good.
floorboard. How disgusting.
Yeah. Ew.
Oh.
Mowing the lawn. That's a pretty good one. This came out really nice. Not bad. More in general.
Huggy.
Plot twist, it's real footage. Okay, this is cool. This is a cool concept.
Seen the
This is really cool. What's up?
food
I don't know what you no.
It's like this.
Oh, it's like a theme.
My bracelet.
This is so cool. Really impressed with basic nuke prompt. Wow. It's a video generator. I mean, it does really good.
You know that essay?
What essay?
It's alright.
Yeah.
I got a 96 on
Good work.
it.
I'm live streaming. Get out of here. Yeah. Okay, here we have some anime. This one's pretty good. Not bad. Wow, there's a lot of really good gens in here. Oh, this one's freaky. Again, it does like the horror stuff really well, like weirdly well. Lemon! Yeah, let's go. I love it. This is pretty good. Typical sibling behavior. Wow. These gens are some of these gens are really wild. Yeah, so if you guys are bored, you want to go look at gens, I mean, join the Discord. Someone said more in general. There's all kinds of stuff going on. This is whack. Dude, you guys got lucky on a lot of these, or maybe you just tried it over and over again. Thank you for another donation. Are there any AI painting apps for mobile? Like, I assume you're talking about like AI video or AI image generation. There's Niji Journey, which is okay. But like paint to AI, I'm not so sure if there are any, to be honest. I suppose it's like Simpsons style-ish, like cartoon. Kind of came out all right. This one's real. Wow. Dang. That's crazy good, man. I guess there's not too much movement going on, but that's just really impressive. Wow. You guys did a ton of them. You did so many gens that I don't think I could even watch them all. Dude. He's literally like scrolling through it. It's supposed to be me. My gosh. Alright, yeah, well, if you guys are bored, feel free. Jesus balling it up, dude. Yo. This one came out really good. Nailed it. All right, sweet. Well, guys, we'll leave it off there. We'll leave it off there. Again, I want to thank you all for joining me on today's stream. It has been so much fun. I love live streaming with you guys. I want to try to do it more. Try to have a more set in stone schedule, but things get crazy. I'm going to be on vacation like pretty soon, so I'm just saying I probably won't be uploading much that week. I'll try to get a pre-made video though. I really only want to upload content though that is worth your time. So I usually like, even with the Apple stuff, like you guys probably saw the Apple announcements, Apple like AI stuff or Apple Intelligence. Like the big YouTubers are already gonna make nice recap videos. So I want to, if I'm gonna talk about that, I'm gonna talk about it in a different way. You know what I mean? But yeah, thank you so much, guys. Trying to get a video out definitely by tomorrow. Hopefully something good. But yeah, no, thanks so much. I mean, join the Discord server, honestly. Just try to get involved with the community. We have a great community. Dolpher, stop spamming. You have the best AI content. Wayward Zombie, thank you very much. I appreciate the kind words. You guys are great. Goodbye. I will see you in the next one. And thank